Hello guys! Introduce ko lang sa inyo yung aking peptide serum. It boosts collagen and enhances skin elasticity. It also has hyaluronic acid that provides deep and long-lasting hydration to our skin. And of course guys, meron din tong niacinamide. It refines pores for a smoother complexion. It brightens skin and evens out our skin tone. Ayan siya guys. So, available na to siya sa ating Shopee. And meron din tayong bagong product. Ito yung ating Sunbloom Beauty Tinted Sunscreen. Yung sunscreen natin guys ay merong 50 SPF. And meron din siyang cooling effect pag nilagay natin sa ating face. Lightweight din yung ating sunscreen guys and non-greasy. And of course, it has hydrating ingredients like aloe vera and other skin-loving components to keep our skin moisturized and healthy while guarding against sun damage. And this tinted sunscreen is also good for all skin types. So, ayan siya guys. Try nyo to. Available na to sa ating store. So, pakicheck na lang kung saan kayo pwedeng umorder. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!